In this video, we will connect the front brake hoses and attach them to the control arms. Connect the brake hose from your front brake kit using the banjo bolt and 2 copper washers that came with the caliper. Be sure to put a washer on both sides of the banjo fitting. Use an 11mm socket to torque the bolt to 35 foot-pounds. Keep the line pointing up as you tighten. Route the brake hose over the control arm and attach it to the steel brake line. The brake tube nut should easily thread into the hose fitting for the first few turns. Do not force it or you risk cross-threading it. Tighten the brake tube nut using 17mm and 10mm wrenches. Make sure your wrenches are fully seated on the nuts to prevent rounding off the corners. Install either a donor brake line retaining clip or a new clip to hold the line in place. Mark the upper control arm 5 inches from the chassis, and then again 5 inches from that mark. Use a 3/16 bit to drill holes for the hose clamp rivets. These holes will not have a significant effect on the strength of the control arms. Use the rivets and clamps from the L22B bag to attach the brake hose to the control arm. We used an electric rivet gun, but pneumatic or manual pop rivet tools work just as well. Repeat the steps to install the other front brake hose.